Hey everyone, I'm Ava, and welcome back to Korean Ladder, the radio show where we climb one Korean rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. Today we will practice the small public manners that help you blend in.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. Lines, quiet trains, and number tickets. Everyday Korea.
Okay, real question. At a Korean bank, if a counter seat is empty, can I just walk up? And on the subway, is it rude if I talk like I am in a cafe?
Those two moments trip a lot of English speakers. In Korea, public places often run on quiet order. Wait your turn and keep your voice soft.
One key word on signs is 정숙. 정숙 means quietness or silence. The formal word you see on signs for keeping shared spaces quiet.
And for lines, we say 줄 서기. That is the habit of lining up at ticket machines, buses, cafes, and service counters.
Why does this matter? Because if you skip the line or speak loudly on a quiet train, you stand out fast. These manners help you move smoothly.
Let's unpack the useful sentence 줄을 서요. 줄 means the line. 을 marks the object. 서요 is from 서다, to stand. Together, 줄을 서요 means we line up / wait in line.
So do not think 서요 alone means lining up. The lining up meaning comes from the whole idiom 줄을 서다.
Here is a natural example. 표를 살 때 줄을 서요. When we buy tickets, we wait in line.
Got it. So, 줄을 서요 is the whole package, not just standing somewhere, standing in the line.
Right. If people are already in a line, join the end. Do not walk to the front just because there is space near the machine.
Now transit manners. On many trains and buses, you will see 정숙. Remember, it is a noun. Quietness, silence. Formal language on signs.
정숙 is the formal word on signs. In everyday speech, we describe the habit as 조용히 해요. If you need to ask someone, you can say 조용히 해주세요. Please keep your voice down. 아니 같이 맞으면
So, on the subway, people usually just keep their voice down. They do not usually walk up to strangers and say 조용히 해주세요, because that can sound confrontational.
Ah, so the sign says 정숙, but my job is simpler, just 조용히 해요, soft voice, short calls, no cafe volume.
Exactly. Phone speakers off, headphones on, and if you talk, keep it low and short.
Third public habit, number tickets. At banks, clinics, and some government offices, you take a 번호표 first.
번호표 is the number ticket. 뽑으세요 means please take one. Do not walk straight to the counter first.
Then you wait until your number appears. Empty chairs at the counter do not mean it is your turn.
So the flow is take the ticket, sit or stand nearby, watch the board, then go. Not see empty seat, walk up.
Let's hear a short teacher dialogue you might use at a bank.
여기 번호표 있어요?
네, 번호표를 뽑고 기다리세요.
알겠어요. 줄을 설게요. Right. Empty seats do not mean open service. We say 번호표를 뽑고 기다리세요. Please take a number ticket and wait.
Okay, let me try the lineup sentence. 줄을 서요.
Good try. Link it smoothly. 줄을 서요. Do not stop hard after 주 and force a separate sound.
줄을 서요.
좋아요. That sounds natural. Now one more. 번호표를 뽑고 기다리세요.
번호표를 뽑고 기다리세요.
완벽해요. Clear and polite.
Now the common English speaker mistake, seeing an empty counter and walking straight up, or talking on speakerphone on a quiet train.
Yeah, in the US, an empty counter often means go ahead. Here, that can cut the invisible line.
So fix it with two moves. Look for the line or the 번호표 machine first and keep transit talk soft.
If you are unsure, watch the room. 주위 사람들이 하는 대로 하세요. In English, if you are unsure, do as the people around you do.
That is such a useful safety tip. When I panic, I can just copy the local rhythm.
Let's check your instinct. You walk into a busy clinic. Some counter seats are empty, and there is a ticket machine near the door. What is the most natural move?
I choose A. 번호표를 뽑고 기다리세요. Take a number ticket and wait.
정답은 A예요. The answer is A. Take a number ticket and wait even if seats look open.
B treats empty seats like open service, and C breaks the quiet. A keeps the shared order.
Let's lock in the core ideas. First, 줄을 서요. We line up and wait our turn in public places.
Second, 번호표를 뽑고 기다리세요. Please take a number ticket and wait. Empty seats do not mean go first.
Third, 지하철에서는 조용히 해요. On the subway, keep your voice soft. Signs may say 정숙. In speech, we usually just keep quiet using 조용히 in phrases like 조용히 해요.
Fourth, 주위 사람들이 하는 대로 하세요. If you are unsure, do as the people around you do.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 번호표를 뽑고 기다리세요. Please take a number ticket and wait.
다음에 또 만나요. Next time we will learn 자리를 양보해요. How people offer seats on the subway.
I am taking that one home. Look for the line, take the number, keep the train quiet. Thanks, Hannah. Thanks, Juno.
수고하셨어요. Great climbing today. Keep listening and we will meet you on the next rung.
안녕히 계세요. Until next time on Korean Ladder.